Here comes a winter storm warning.
Dad!
Dad, winter storm warnings issued for KOKX. Here we go!
Following areas in Connecticut: Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven.
Damn it!
Which is in effect from 7 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Accumulations: snow and sleet accumulation of 5 to 10 inches, along with a tenth to a quarter of an inch of ice. Locations: central portions of the lower Hudson Valley, interior portions of northeastern New Jersey, and much of southern Connecticut. Hazard types: heavy snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Timing: Sunday night and Monday. Temperatures in the mid-20s. Winds northeast 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Visibility: 1/4 mile or less at times. Snowfall rates: occasionally 1 to 2 inches per hour late Sunday night through early Monday afternoon. Impacts: hazardous travel due to reduced visibilities and significant snow, sleet, and ice accumulations. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
More coming, not the only one. Yep. This one's for me. I know it's for me.
Connecticut, northern Fairfield, and northern New Haven. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 7 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 10 to 14 inches.
Holy crap.
Locations: interior portions of the lower Hudson Valley and south. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. Snowfall rates: occasionally 1 to 2 inches per hour late Sunday night into early Monday afternoon. Impacts: hazardous travel due to reduced visibilities and significant snow accumulations. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Here are today's forecasts.